Bacon is great on salads, and I love bacon any kind of way, but I want to show you a quick way to do bacon in the oven. You just turn your oven on to 375, put a half a pound of bacon on a baking sheet on a rack, and then I'm just going to sprinkle it with a little bit of brown sugar. This is going to candy the bacon a little bit and caramelize it, and it's great just to snack on. This is really nice to cut up and put on salads. And it's very easy and it doesn't mess up your kitchen. So besides the brown sugar, and you can use light or dark, I'm just going to put a few pieces of cracked black pepper on top. Then I'm going to pop it in the 375-degree oven, 20-25 minutes. Watch your oven, and when it comes out, you get this beautiful, crispy, caramelized bacon.